Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the OR functions in Excel. It's perfect for checking multiple conditions at once. The OR function returns true if at least one condition is true and false if all conditions are false. Let's say you want to check if a student passed math or English, then it's called pass if their score on above 70. So just type this formula equal then OR, then select the score greater than 70 and then select the scores again greater than 70 and then enter like this. If either subject score is above 70, it returns as true. It's meaning the student passed at least one subject. Then just drag it. Now if you want to automatically label it as pass or fail, you can combine it with the if functions. Just type like this, if, then or, and type the formula like before. Then type pass for the true value, and then type fail for the false values. Like this, and then enter. And then just drag it. Like this. This is super useful for things like eligibility checks or conditional formattings or filtering results. And that's it. If this helped you, give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.